Hi guys, this is Beto Chingon, and today I'm having a problem with a water heater. This is a tankless water heater that was working great. It was just working great. To me, this is a great water heater, but we only had it for, I don't know, about 3 or 4 months or less, and now we're having problems. We have two water heaters like this in this property, and earlier I was telling my wife how great these water heaters are. I mean, when you're taking a shower, you're enjoying that shower because that water is nice and hot and you don't run out of hot water. But then, like I said, we have two water heaters, and my son is using this other section of the house with this water heater. Okay, this is one of those, like I was saying, um, AOSMITH signature water heater. And take a look at this. Right now, it's on standby, so that's good. This is on standby. But the moment that I start using the water, take a look what happens, okay? Um, Supposed to go to in use, supposed to get a green light here, and stay on while you're using the water. So let's see. Okay, so take a look at this. So we're using the water right now. Basically what I'm using is the drain to clean the heater. I mean the tankless water heater, you're supposed to clean it often. So right now I'm using that drain. So the water is being used. Let me show you. That's in, that's the temperature of the water going in. That's the temperature of the water going out. So now it is actually getting hot, but not the way it's supposed to be. Take a look at the flow. Okay, that's actually an error. Error 111 now. This is error 111. Before it was giving me error 121. So now this unit is just going crazy giving me errors. This is error 111. When you see a standby and this blinking, standby blinking and this blinking, that's not the temperature, that's an error. Okay, that's what we're getting right now. So sometimes it'll give me error 121. In this case, it's giving me error 111. So that's what it is. Then back to the temperature. Okay, a standby, but this light never went on. If this light doesn't turn on, that means you're getting cold water. Okay, I thought it was 111 temperature, but no. It's set up to 120, and if it starts blinking again, like I said, you're only getting cold water. So let me open it again. Everything looks open. The gas is open. Cold water is open. And I'm gonna turn on the water, hot water. Let's see what happens. See? The water going in is 66. Water going out temperature is, let's see if it's gonna show us that. Not showing it yet. And as you can see, the green light is never turning on. 65. So actually we're getting 65 in, 66 in, and 65 going out. And take a look, error 111. So that's what we're getting. And now I'm not able to see the flow. There's plenty of flow. We're getting plenty of flow of water. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. And at this time, the manufacturer of these heaters is closed, so I'm not able to call them right now to get some kind of support. But according to the codes, I need to take a look at the codes and I'll tell you what they are. Okay, guys. Well, according to this codes, 111, code 111 here, 3 flashes, ignition, failure. So you know, basically it didn't ignite. We know that because we're getting cold water. And then it says check if the limit switch part 412 is properly functioning. Check for connections, breakage wires, blah, blah, blah. The computer board part 701 and or suit on flame road part 108. I mean, you name it. So anyway, check if there's a buzzing spark ignition sound coming from the burner part. Number 101, when the water heater prepares for combustion, listen for the double clunk. Sound coming from the gas valve assembly, part 102. When water heater goes into combustion, check if there's a leaking from heat exchanger. I mean, you name it. They have it. And then 121, loss of flame. So in this case, it was 111. It didn't even ignite. Before it was 121. It was igniting, but we were losing the flame. And it's the same. Check if the high limit part number 412 is functioning properly. Check for connection breakers or wires. Part 413, 708, 709, 711. Burn marks on the computer board. Part number 701. And shoot on the flat rod. Part 108. Check there's a leaking from the heat exchanger. I mean, you name it. This is crazy. But these are the problems we're having. Anyway, I'll be calling the manufacturer tomorrow and have them help me troubleshoot this and see what they can do for me. Because this is crazy. This unit is almost new. And like I said, these units, they work great. But I didn't know they have this kind of problems. Now I know. I mean, all my connection is great. It's just all my connection. I put a drain, Every time that I need to clean the tankless water heater, I can just drain into the water into my pool. So I don't have to be making a mess somewhere else. I run pipes and everything for that. Have a valve, for the intake. Have a valve for the exhaust water. Have another valve for the clean out. I mean, you name it. Have a little valve here for the drain of the heater, because these heaters, they drain a little bit of water, because these heaters actually use most of the heat. The air coming out of the exhaust of the heater, it's actually connected using PVC pipes for the exhaust. So this is just no heat. Before, you have to use like metal pipes and double metal pipes and stuff like that. That way you didn't risk it to burn your house, or your roof, whatever. Not with these units. But the problem is, the other ones were more dependable than this. These ones, they have more problems. Okay, guys? But anyway, I'll let you guys know. I'll make a second video about this, but this is one of the problems that I'm having with this water heater. Like I said, they work great. And gas efficiency is incredible. The intake can be connected inside a room, as long as the room is big enough, because this unit is for indoors use. The exhaust, like I said, you just put a 3-inch PVC pipe going to the outside, and you can run it through an attic or a wall, whatever, just going out. And you don't have to worry about burning something, because like I said, you're going to be using a PVC pipe. I mean, the idea is great. The concept is great. The problem is, it's too early to start having problems. But I'll make another video after I talk to the vendor, and I hope they'll be able to help me fix the problem and keep using this heater, because I have two of these units. The other one is working great. This one, for some reason, it just went out. Okay, thank you guys. Just remember, we need more subscribers. Take care. Bye.